Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, presses, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice small Timesaver machine. This is a belt grinder machine. The way this one works, it has about an 18, 19-inch belt here. I'm going to go ahead and feed in here. On the inside, there's another belt and drum. That's where your sandpaper will be. Has automatic centering and everything. You'll keep it all straight inside there. You put your piece in, it feeds it right through. On the other side, it'll come out nice and clean. Here's one I just did a nice test. Very clean. Here's the original side. We'll go ahead and put it through here and let you see how quick everything works. It's a nice little machine. Got an emergency stop right here. You can see the conveyor, the inside, the belt's moving. I'll go ahead and feed this on there. As you can see, nice clean sanding. All the way through, one pass. Save a lot of time having to do hand sanding. You just feed stuff through. It's only good for flat parts. They do make these types of sanders for parts that have different holes in them so you can get into the crevices. We'll go ahead and show you here. Here's the belt with the drums and the air tracking. You can see this is air tracking right now. That keeps the belt center on the line. Right down here is where you go ahead and raise and lower your conveyor, your head rather, to adjust for how high you want to come up. Here, right here, you can see emergency stop. As soon as that hit, everything stops. Nice safety feature. It's got the little dust outputs here. If you're interested in this machine, larger or smaller, we carry them all. 626-444-0311. Or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.